SonShineFilms, wake up, join the fam. This fine episode is brought to you by the wonderful people over at That Dope Soap & Co. Try our latest custom candle creations, embodying the full bounty of spring. Renew and refresh your senses. Order your custom candle today. Come and check us out. Celebrate your mother and her life with us. Come and check us out at That Dope Soap & Co. over on Instagram. In today's episode with the Shiners, Lunchtime with Sunshine, we will be making a simple lunch. We got some sub rolls here. We got some nice sharp cheddar cheese. And we got some nice Polish kielbasa. No pork. Here we simply gonna cook some of that kielbasa up. We're gonna split it. We'll just have it. We prepared our sub rolls with some nice fresh fruit, grapes and all. So we take those kielbasa and put them on the sub rolls, tuck them in tight, put the cheese on top, or in this case the bottom, put them joints back in the pan. So we can get a nice little melted on the cheese and a nice little grill on the bread. Everything's being plated here. Sausage, the grapes, the oranges. I put a little Go-Gurt on the side, give them a little calcium, and our lunch is done. We're ready to serve it up to these hungry types. Thanks for checking us out.
Sure.
No. Now he wants help.
There you go, bro. You know you want to be like you. Would you like some help as well?
No. Yeah.
Or you want Salim to help you?
I'm on the way.
There you go, bro. Did you thank your brother? Good.
Solve the problem. Thanks for your help, little girl. Those are super flyers.
Whoa.
Maybe I'll make this really into a sandwich. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
I made it into a real sandwich. That's it. No matter. No. You did what I did.
That's what happens when you're a big brother, bro.
I need more.
Here, let me help you.
Yummy.
You help you? Okay.
Am I gonna help?
Ain't nothing else I can help you with that, bro. Put it in the trash can. Is that what you're asking me to do?
Mm-hmm.
Just sit it to the side, bro. Eat your food.
Mm-hmm.
No.
I put my mouth on it.
And so what? You know the rules.
Let's hold the rules. So, then, I don't know. There's some money in my folder.
Money?
Money.
Nah.
Oh.
Eat your break, bro. Why would money be in your folder?
Because.
Where you going, my man? Come on, man. Hey!
Oh, money now. Yeah.
Put some ketchup on yours already.
Huh? What did you say?
I was telling Sabir that I put ketchup on his.
Oh, yeah, okay. Just my house. Okay.
Put it a little closer to you, bro.
Dad,
Huh?
my dad. Get off of me. Try to win.
Those grapes are super good, huh? Sugar sweet. Oh, don't punch his grape, bro.
Hey, what's up? I'm a punch grape. You can punch me however you want. It'll just don't hurt. Punch me.
He went running, huh? He went back home. Bro, stop flying.
Stopping at the hopping.
Flopping and hopping, huh?
I'm the bike. You can't bother all of us, can ya? Can't bother all of us. Yeah, you're right. You can't bother us, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you
How
got
many grapes you
1,
got there,
2,
bro?
3, 4, 5, 6. I got 4 and Sabir has 6.
You got 6, okay.
I said Sabir has
counting,
6. I said Sabir has 6.
No, okay. Oh, come on, man.
I'm gonna sit you aside. That's it.
You trying to steal his grapes, bro?
Too late. Now they're all going back home.
Oh, that's gross. One at a time, bro. There you go. Good job.
I didn't listen to Sabir. Daddy,
Hmm?
is it safe to listen to my brother?
Of course. He's your family and you love him. You should listen to him.
Boom.
Not punch him.
Ew!
Come on, man. Eat them grapes, bro. How's them oranges, Salim?
Good. Juicy.
Uh-huh. Put them in your mouth, bro.
Orange.
Mm. They look like little boats.
Orange. Okay. Orange. An orange. Orange.
Gum? Gum?
I swallowed it faster than you.
Man, this is not an eating competition, bro.
Whoever eats the whole bread wins. Whoever doesn't loses. Sabir, yeah. No. Just take one bite at a time, Sabir. Excuse me.
Oh.
I'm trying to flip it over because I don't like that. Now, are these seeds that you grow things with?
Yeah, you could probably grow some seeds with those. I mean, some things with those. I don't know what kind of seeds they are. Sesame seeds, maybe. Bro, stop spitting.
I love the sausage.
It's good?
It's good.
Good.
Very good. Ooh! Ooh!
Try to give you the stem.
Ew. Ew. I hate eating the stem.
Bro. Why you ain't pull it off for him, Sabir? Oh, that's nice. You said yes. You said yes, right?
No. See, I already know.
Sabir, come on, bro. Work it out.
Yummy.
You okay?
No.
You not okay?
Okay.
You still injured from him eating your grape? Why don't you try your oranges?
I'm eating.
No. There you go. Eat them oranges, bro.
I know. I'm eating.
Salim, eat your sausage, bro.
Sausage. I'm gonna use.
He got his own, bro. Couldn't scare you. Be right there, bro. He ain't scared of that. Tell him, Sabir, you ain't scared.
No.
Come on, bro. Eat your food, man. Stop with the fighting. So you ain't afraid of no ghosts?
Thank you for watching Sunshine Films. Like, comment, and subscribe, and good night.